Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make playlist on YouTube. Now, this is actually pretty simple and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get it done. So for example, we're going to go ahead and create a new playlist. Now, all we have to do really is find a video. Once you find a video, you're going to tap those three dots. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and click save to playlist. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and click new playlist and you're going to go ahead and name it. So I'm going to call this one the playlist. Alright, we're just going to put a number in there. Now for the privacy, you're going to click this one and you're going to choose between the following. You have their public, so basically anyone can search and view them. You have their unlisted. For unlisted, anyone with the link can view them. So basically, if they don't have the link, they can't see it. Or if you want to do it privately, you can definitely do that. So this is only you who can view it. Now go ahead and choose between the following. I'm going to go ahead and choose private and I'm going to tap create. Alright, playlist created. Now, as you can see, I have already there a playlist. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add one more video. Say, for example, this one here. I'm going to tap this three dots and I'm going to go ahead and click save the playlist once again. And you're going to choose which playlist you're going to add it to. So again, the playlist one is what we have. I'm going to click it and I'm going to tap done below. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and check our playlist. So I'm going to tap U and we're going to go ahead and look for the playlist in here. As you can see, we have there the playlist one. I'm going to go ahead and click that one and you will see the two videos that we have added recently. So yep, that's how easy it is, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to make a playlist on YouTube.